With 2024 about to kick off, here are three significant events that can affect the growth trajectory of the crypto ecosystem. As the crypto industry expands, the community stays on the lookout for significant events that can affect the growth trajectory of the ecosystem. From the look of things, 2024 happens to be full of them. One such event is the creation and implementation of clear crypto regulations in major regions like the European Union. The crypto community is also watching out for the approvals of several Ethereum exchange-traded products and the jail sentencing of the FTX founder and former CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, who perpetrated one of the largest financial frauds in modern history. Ether ETF approval. While the crypto industry anticipates the approvals of several spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, by January, there is also an expectation of regulatory nods for Ethereum ETFs between February and May. Several firms, including ARK Invest, 21 Shares, VanEck, Hashdex, Invesco, Galaxy Digital, and Grayscale Investments, have submitted applications with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to launch spot and mixed ETFs. The approval of the products could give investors wider access to the Ethereum ecosystem, giving room for more fund inflows. South sentencing. Another big thing to be excited about in 2024 is SBF sentencing scheduled for March. After roughly 4 hours of deliberations, a jury found the disgraced crypto mogul guilty of 7 charges, including wire fraud, securities fraud, commodities fraud conspiracy, and money laundering conspiracy. SBF commingled user assets and defrauded investors of billions of dollars while marketing his crypto empire as a haven for customers. FTX's implosion in November 2022 triggered a contagion that dragged other firms to their demise. While the exchange searches for a suitable bankruptcy exit route, SBF faces a maximum of 115 years in prison. The crypto community widely anticipates these Bitcoin-related events, which could unlock a new phase for the ecosystem. Next year looks promising for the crypto industry as major events are set to occur. Among the several benefits of the upcoming events is a stronger interest from institutional investors and wider adoption of crypto assets, a significant milestone for a sector that came into existence just 14 years ago. Crypto Potato has put together this short list as optimism builds around the potential growth of the Bitcoin ecosystem, stemming from the network's upcoming halving event, the spot exchange traded fund, ETF, approvals, and the potential bull market. These Bitcoin-related events are widely anticipated by the crypto community and could unlock a new phase for the sector. Spot Bitcoin ETF approval. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is expected to approve the country's first spot Bitcoin ETF between January 8 and 10, following a series of meetings with the applicants over the past few months. Firms vying for the products include leading traditional finance asset managers like BlackRock, ARK Invest, 21 Shares, Invesco, Galaxy Digital, Franklin Templeton, Grayscale Investments, VanEck, WisdomTree, Valkyrie, Fidelity Investments, and Bitwise. Anonymous sources revealed that the SEC reportedly asked the contending firms to submit final corrections to their paperwork before the new year, strengthening analysts' predictions of 90% odds in favor of the approvals by January. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that the U.S. securities regulator has delayed and rejected all previous applications for such products, claiming that they could be used for money laundering or market manipulation. This time, though, the tides seem to be different, especially after the arrival of BlackRock at the scene and its nearly impeccable approval rating with the agency. The Bitcoin halving. The upcoming Bitcoin halving is another event to look forward to in 2024. The halving is a mechanism that slashes block rewards by 50%, reducing the rate at which BTC is produced daily. Upon completion of the next 1/4 in Bitcoin's history, the production rate will drop down from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. The halving takes place every 4 years, 210,000 blocks, and the next is scheduled to occur in April 2024. The crypto community is abuzz with excitement as the set date approaches because the halving is considered one of the most important events in the industry. Although Bitcoin miners will start earning fewer rewards for their operations, the upsides of the halving are far greater. The BTC bull market. Historically, past halving events have triggered BTC bull runs, which drove the crypto market to new highs. Although historical data does not guarantee future price movements, it is worth mentioning that BTC skyrocketed to $69,000 after the third halving took place in May 2020. There is a high chance that history will be repeated. Besides the expected rally post-halving, BTC has been rising due to anticipation around the potential approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. The asset has risen over 157% year to date and currently hovers around $43,000. It remains to be seen how high the leading digital asset will go after the ETFs are approved and the halving takes place.